Hook section. One shimmering evening in a whimsical forest, Oliver the owl awakens to a startling sight. The stars have vanished. Panic sweeps over him. How could this happen? What if the dark sky scares his friends? Determined to solve this midnight mystery, Oliver sets out on a quest to find the missing stars. As he takes flight, the leaves rustle with whispers, and the moonlight dances around him. He first visits Bella the bunny, who trembles with fright. "I've heard the stars are hiding, afraid of the howling wind," she squeaks. But don't lose hope. Check by the sparkling river. They might be playing there. With hope igniting his heart, Oliver zooms to the river, discovering a dazzling sight. Luna the light bug, twinkling like a lantern. "I can light the way, Oliver," she exclaims. Just then, Percy the puddle frog leaps by, shouting, "Jump high enough and I'll reach the stars." The trio watches as Percy lands with a splash, sending ripples across the water. Where could the stars be hiding, and what challenges await them? Suddenly, Oliver spots something glimmering beneath the river's surface. His heart races. Is it a star? He leans closer, breath catching in excitement, when the water shimmers brightly, revealing dozens of stars nestled in playful reflections. "Oh, wow!" gasps Oliver. "The stars aren't gone, they're here, just hidden." In disbelief, his friends gather around, reflecting in awe. Just then, a gust of wind shakes the branches, signaling their greatest challenge. How will they return the stars to their places in the sky? It takes all their teamwork, and as they join wings and paws, the magic begins. With a synchronized jump and flutter of light, the friends send the stars shimmering into the dark sky. Oliver watches as they wink back into their spots, illuminating the night once more. The forest fills with joy, and Oliver swells with pride, learning a valuable lesson. Sometimes the beauty we seek is hidden in our world, waiting to shine. "Thank you, everyone! We did it together!" he hoots joyfully. Laughter echoes through the trees, and twinkling stars fill the sky, casting a warm glow over the forest. As Oliver flutters into his cozy nest beneath the twinkling sky, he smiles at his adventure and the friends made along the way. What other secrets might the forest hold? Only time will tell. If you enjoyed Oliver's starry quest, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more enchanting tales.